Hello, mi gente. This is again Miss Tellez, and I'm going to tell you about a few things. So first, this slide that you see right here, I'm in the process of getting it together so that your teachers can post it on Google Classroom. That way you can go back and see all of the videos that you've watched over the last few weeks. Just a reminder, Hispanic Heritage Month is from September 15th to October 15th. Not quite a month, in the middle of 2 months, but we'll take it. Also, just remember that Hispanic heritage is celebrated every day, and so we don't necessarily need just a month to tell us when to celebrate that. I'm going to leave you with some homework, though. Your job is to convince someone, a safe adult, to take you to one of these delicious restaurants. You can pick up food, you can eat there, whatever, safely. I wish we could have this huge cookout where you try all of these different types of food, but that's just not the situation we're in, and that's not the budget that I have. So I'm going to give you some recommendations on restaurants, and I'm going to give you the amount of time that it's going to take your family to get there at approximately 5:45 p.m. on a Tuesday. So the first one is Lazo's Restaurante, and it is actually in Stafford. It's a Salvadorian restaurant, and they make delicious things. You can see that there are sandwiches here. They make pupusas, which are basically like corn, kind of like a really thick corn tortilla that you can cut open like a Hot Pocket or like a sandwich, and you stuff delicious things in there. Absolutely delicious. You can Google it. It takes about 20 minutes to get there. Second is Central Texas Style Barbecue. It's actually owned by Cuban Americans, and it's pretty good barbecue. They have a pretty good baked potato, and that is delicious and makes me happy. That is about 20 minutes from the school, so you should definitely check that out. The next one is Restaurante y Pupuseria Olocuilta. I said that wrong, and I'm really sorry. It's a Salvadorian and Mexican little takeout shop. They have a really small dining area, but you can get empanadas, which are basically magic and sparkles in food form. They are basically it's dough, like a wheat dough, that is stuffed with deliciousness. There are fruit-filled ones, there's meat-filled ones, and they're fried, and it's amazing. They also have pupusas as well, those delicious corn Hot Pockets. That is about 22 minutes away. It's on the east side of Pearland. There's Argentina Cafe. I've been to this place a few times, and it's delicious every time. They have Argentine cuisine, and one thing that I really like is that they sell choripan, which is very common in South America, and this place is great. They also have really good French fries, which are topped with sausage, and you can get a fried egg on it, and that's my favorite. This place is about 28 minutes away. It takes me longer to get home from work, so you can make it happen. The next place is Marines Empanadas Delicias Colombianas. Basically, Marines empanadas that are Colombian deliciousness. So it's a Colombian restaurant. Mrs. Zaragoza loves this place. Miss Emmers loves this place. Marnini's, in the words of Miss Emmers. And they make really good empanadas. I've been to this place as well. It's delicious, and it's about 28 minutes away. The next one, Casa Del Mofongo. So mofongo is basically fried plantains that they mash up in a mortar and pestle, and with garlic and delicious things, and my mouth is watering right now. It's Dominican and Puerto Rican and Colombian, and it's life-changing. you're going to want to get that. That is about 28 minutes away as well. Takes me longer to go visit my grandma. All right. The next one is a Venezuela restaurant, Sabor Venezolano. And it's actually a food truck, and I've been here once before. It's delicious. They have sandwiches and all kinds of things. They are about 32 minutes away, so a little bit further, but still worth the drive, trust me. And then we have Las Brasas charcoal chicken, Peruvian chicken shop. Now, Peru is really famous for rotisserie chicken. My mouth is watering. It's so good. Please try it. It's not like from Costco or Walmart or H-E-B. Like, it's legit. They also have like different types of Peruvian side dishes that are really good. And that is about 32 minutes away. And then the furthest one away, but possibly my favorite one, is called Punta Cana Caribbean restaurant. It's 43-ish minutes away. It's so good. It's Puerto Rican and Dominican and Caribbean, and it's just... This was the first time I had mofongo, and it changed my life. That's all I have to say. Viva mi gente.